Hey guys, Muka here. We're going to take a look at our current position, MTL. So we're going to start off by showing you why we went ahead and bought this stock. And of course, we got our typical flag pattern here. So this is our breakout pattern that we went ahead and bought off of. We bought late as I didn't see the stock until somebody had mentioned it. And it was already up to about $1.45. So what we went ahead and did is bought it on the pullback to the 200 SMA with our stop down here at these tips of these wicks around $1.27. So this has a couple patterns here. Like I said, there's a flag pattern here, which is the kind of the wavy pattern on the way down. That'll be our flag pattern, and you can see the volume tapers down, and then now it's coming back up. So typical flag pattern. This is also, a little bit of an ascending triangle. So either way you look at it, it is a bullish pattern. So we went ahead and bought it, and now we're sitting right around $1.48. What we're going to look for from here is hopefully for this $1.48 to crack, and of course send it up over $1.50 into this range right in here. Now if we zoom out on our timeline, we can see some resistance right around that area. A little bit more up in this area around $1.66. So as far as our next resistance levels go, that'll be what we're looking for. Clearly we'd like to see this $1.53, $1.55 area to break out and continue to push higher, but what we also want to see is our support levels hold, which currently is this 200 SMA, the simple moving average, right around $1.38. If that can hold, $1.38, $1.39, even the whole number resistance or support $1.40, those would all be great levels to see hold up. Even if this pulls back a little bit, I'll continue to hold into the $1.40 range. Now what we don't want to see, of course, is this to start breaking support levels and coming back down to the $1.34, $1.30 range. At that point, we might start looking to get out. But until then, what I'm going to follow is this green moving average here, which is the 13 EMA, and hopefully this stock will continue to trend off of it as this continues to push up higher. Here's the weekly chart here, and you can see clearly as it trends up off this 13 EMA, testing the $1.50 resistance. This will clearly be a pretty strong resistance level, and if we do break it, it should send us much higher. Being as this is a swing trade, I'm not too concerned about the 1 minute chart. I will show you the 15-minute chart here. As you can see, we're clearly flagging again right here around $1.48, and then there's this one candle here at $1.50. If we can clear those levels, like I said before, there's really not a whole lot of resistance in the short-term period, so it should send us back up higher. You can see the pre-market one day spiked up to 164, 165. So that's the range that we're looking for if we can break out over 150, and then of course that 153 level that we saw on the daily chart. And then just confirming our support levels, you can clearly see the 130 range here, and then of course the 140 range. We'd like to see both those levels hold and act as support, bounce off of it, do what it's got to do to keep moving the stock up higher. If you want to receive nightly watch list, premium stock picks, stock alerts, and exchange trade ideas in our live chat room, sign up at the link below and receive a 2-week trial and a discounted rate on your first month.